Hi guys! Today we will learn how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. First, unlock your phone and open the TikTok app. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all features. Once the app opens, search or open the profile of the person you want to block. This is the starting step to control any account on TikTok. Now go to the profile of that person you want to block. Tap on their profile name to open their full profile page. Here, you will see different options related to that account. This is where TikTok gives you privacy controls. On the profile page, look at the top right side. Tap the share icon to open more options. TikTok hides the block option inside this menu. So, don't worry, we are very close now. Now scroll through the options shown on the screen. You will see the block option near the report button. Tap on it to immediately block that account. After this, the person will no longer be able to interact with you. TikTok will ask you to confirm your action. Simply tap confirm and the account will be blocked instantly. This stops them from viewing or contacting you. It's a quick and effective privacy control. Now, if you want to unblock someone, go back to your profile. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your main account settings. From here, we can manage blocked accounts. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the Settings and Privacy menu. Here you will find all account management options. So scroll carefully through the menu. Now tap on Privacy from the options. Scroll down inside Privacy settings until you find Blocked accounts. This section shows all users you have blocked before. It's very easy to manage from here. Now open the Blocked Accounts section. You will see a list of all blocked users. Find the person you want to unblock and tap Unblock next to their name. That's it. They will be removed from your blocked list. So guys, this is how you can easily block and unblock someone on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. And comment below what tutorial you want next. I'll help you step by step.